I literally have nothing else to do. Well, tonight at least. So I'm just gonna keep trading. So we did just catch this long. We can just go into the next day. 4 hour. Definitely still bullish here. 1 hour tap into that. We could continue off of this. We'll see. Again, slanted lows. We shall see. Okay, I end up running to those lows. We now have an SMT there. Inside of this 1 hour. We're a little premium. I honestly would like a short. But we shall see. Ew. See, these are the inversions I fade. Oh, that's a fat SMT. Is the inversion I fade because it's just one up? Like it's literally just up, down, you know? Like there's no, like this stop loss is not protected. Probably is going to become like a 5-minute liquidity pool here in a second as well. Hopefully we don't take these lows. I'd really like this continuation. Maybe we go to this 4 hour intermediate low right here. Yeah, where's ES at? Yeah, ES needs to take out some lows as well. We shall see. Kind of bullish. Like ES is now actually holding this. We'll see. I want to see this 5-minute get respected. Maybe an SMT at 930 highs could be filthy. Might not get it though, but I'm okay with that. Is ES at least in a gap? Oh, okay. ES has a nice 1 hour, so that's good. We don't have a 1 hour, but we have a damn. Like we have a gap, but it got inversed. So it's like, all right, what is my continuation gap off of? I can say that it's the 4 hour, but that's not the best. If only we didn't inverse this, and then we already took those lows. Let's see if we actually even get the inverse before I, oh my god. I think I'm going to take this. Because ES, so the only thing that's lacking here is that high time frame key level, and ES has it, but then both pairs obviously have. Like, ES doesn't have the continuation yet, but NASDAQ does, but it's kind of, I just think the high time frame needs to rebalance. Fuck, this could definitely lose, though. I just like these lows. Not much to it. Just have high confidence to this. I'm going to put stop loss here. Until I get, yeah, we'll do a 1 to 3. Please tell me I got above CE. Ooh, okay, so literally at like 53% of the wick. Or whatever. It's really just these lows. I would not consider this my best trade. But I do think we run lower. Like I remember I said last time it's like ascending liquidity. Like I was targeting like, oh yeah, it was like these highs. It's kind of like these lows is like descending, and then it's like, all right, then we hit our gap. So it's like we take the LR, we hit the gap. I just think we rebalance lower. Yeah, because we have this huge imbalanced leg inside of this daily as well. I'm going to take it. I like the high time frame reasoning, but more so I'm comfortable with these low time frame targets. The close could be, better, but I'm going to count this candle because one, we interact with it, and it's like we tap the 5-minute gap, so we sweep just above here. Ended up being that high, actually. Oh, yeah, so, okay, so it was this high. Ran above that. Huh. Yeah, I'll take this. I don't like that, but that's not, I don't know. There's some iffiness with it, but we're going to rip it. Continuation. I kind of got a pit in my stomach. I feel like this loses. We'll see. We will see. All right, never mind. Only reason I think it loses, I checked out the 30-second. I did not like this at all. And then it's like, I don't like the fact that we didn't have super clear manipulation. It's kind of like, yeah, like we hit a gap. It's just that we inversed it. Like, how do we not close through it? Like, literally, if we just didn't close through this right here, would have been perfect. But then it's like, we really shouldn't have closed through it because we just had this, like, pre-930 chop. SMT, yeah. I'm okay with it because I like the idea of high time frame. I also just like these targets. I could see maybe a run back on these because we don't really have clear manipulation, but this is kind of just like displacement trading. Yeah, ES is obviously in this gap. So the trade idea is actually really nice on ES, but a little bit lacking on NQ. But I think it's still nice because like ES has room to go lower, and then NASDAQ has room to go lower here. But we could also just flip and then take out these highs. But that depends if we want to manipulate in this 1 hour gap. Like, I don't know what we're doing. Because now we have, like, a very clear SMT. Like, now we're, like, double manipulating. I don't know, dude. Perfect. Okay, yeah. Then we rebalance that 4 hour range, yeah. I do want to see. We're just going to... I'm not going to take another trade. Just going to skip to the next day. Fucking... okay, yeah. Literally perfect. Literally perfect. Like, price... whenever we stack lows, right? Whenever we stack draws, as in liquidity, and like, bro, it's two fucking things. Like, I say it all the time, but it's like... It's just so easy to trade that way. Like, don't overthink it. Obviously, like, huge imbalance, right? So we should rebalance. Whoa, like, that's literally it. Huge imbalance with LR. Whoa, we should rebalance. Huge imbalance with somewhat LR. Whoa, we should rebalance. Like, it's not... It should never... Am I even recording? Oh, thank God. Like, it should not be rocket science. This is still going to be a trend day, bro. I should just long 930. Never mind. That's actually so embarrassing. No. I'm going to wait. So in scenarios like this, I'll usually wait for us to at least tap back into that previous range. Because ranges do matter. Like, well, the same way... Oh, okay. We do. 30-second. Thank God. Because I really didn't want to take a trade here. Like, if it was A+. I don't like the premium. But it's like, then again, like, it's also just bullish high time frame. Well, we do have a crazy trend. I'd like to see how this 1 hour closes. If it's below, I don't feel like we run these. I kind of want to be bullish. Weekly chart. We'll see. Kind of disrespecting this bearish gap on the daily. We'll see. We'll see. No real setup right now. We'll mark out this 5-minute. Yeah, I don't even want to trade up to that. We'll see if we leave these slanted lows. All right. Yeah, probably get a mech here. Yeah. I'm going to fade it. But I kind of don't want to. 30-minute gap. No SMT. Ew. We do have an SMT here, though. Wait, no, we don't. I don't like it. It's kind of bare minimum to me. Because it's like we have one target and then another. I can see it. Like, why can I see Blake taking this? Who do I? I'm just not, the most comfortable with MEX to begin with. And this is the okay, this is the 945 candle, bro. Never mind. This can definitely play, like, this is valid, but I just in general have lower confidence with MEC. But I mean, see, part of me just wants to take it because it's like, bro, like, it's fucking backtesting anyway, you know. ES is still super bullish. Yeah, ES is burning through the gap. SMT there, fuck, I kind of just want to take this. This could definitely be something, but if we're just so premium, I'm gonna take it. No point in tape reading. Yeah. I don't think I would take this live market. Like, this is, I think I talked earlier about, like, the eval one. Like, it's kind of, like, everything's there. It's just, now the only thing wrong with it is that I don't trade mech that much. So, like, I don't have the experience to, like, make a very informed decision, if that makes any sense. Still like the trade. Obviously tapped into this 15, so unmitigated gap tap. Then we close out of it. 5 minute, very clear to manipulate into. And then we have this 3 minute. Nah, this really just makes me not want to take this. I'm gonna fade this. There's too many things wrong with it I don't like. And then we have an SMT there. I'm gonna fade it. Thank God. And then watch this play. Wait. Actually, this is perfect because now we have an SMT, and now it's a PDI, and now it's not. You know, like, my model is definitely more, or my experience is more related to PDI rather than mech. This is nice, yeah, because now this is no longer bare minimum, like I was talking before. Now we got more LR. Now we got 10 a.m. Even though 10 a.m. didn't manipulate, we manipulated right then. 10 a.m. did print that lower wick, so technically that's a PO3. Because, like, for PO3, obviously we don't manipulate every time. Like, we don't have perfect manipulation. You want it, but, like, obviously context here, like, yeah, we just did. But, like, we can print that lower wick, and that's all we need to do. The fact we have an SMT there, it is now in that 15 minute. We also print, like, think about the structure. This is going to become a swing low. Oh, in a 15 minute as well. Very nice. I like this setup a lot. 15 minute gap, 5 minute gap. Very, very clear. I'm going to hold the 5 minute. Go break even at the 15. No inversion. Oh my God, bro. This candle's just about to teleport. Like, it's actually about to ruin my RR. Oh my God. Please. Fuck. Not too bad. Oh my God, it fucks it. It makes it negative, bro. No shot. Alright, we're going to put... I'm going to put it at the body. I don't like it, but it's like... I feel like if we run here, it's just going to be... Like, we should respect 10 a.m. low. Because if we come down here, we're just going to take the low and then remanipulate. Yeah, so I'll take this. Okay, so stop loss, right? Because I remember mentioning that the wick... On bigger wicks, I'll usually use the CE. The reason why I'm using the body here is because the 10 a.m. candle, with how this PO3 works, if we go all the way down here, chances are we're just going to fully remanipulate rather than retest this gap because it's the 10 a.m. candle, right? Like, we're just going to take it or just respect this and go to my draw. Going to go break even at 5. 6, 6, 7. Save that. Monitor ES. ES is still looking healthy. Like that. Oh God. Alright, break even there. Low key. Puckered my butthole a little bit with this. But we were chilling. I was kind of just expecting us to follow the momentum. We'll see if we tap that. It is an SMT liquidity pool, but I literally get no RR here, so we shall see. Oh, rough. Yeah, then we probably chop. No, we actually don't. Damn unfortunate. Kind of some ugly PA. Some very ugly PA. 10 a.m. did. Oh, fuck. I look. He should. No, this wasn't a setup there. 10 a.m. now did manipulate. Did we hit a 1 hour gap? Finally. Okay. I'm going to take 2 entries this day. So now we have some really good manipulation because it's an hourly gap. And again, now we are inside of this range as well. So we're retesting this range. Didn't get a 5-minute close there. I might take a 4-minute trade here. I hate 5 minutes, but we'll see. I do like that. ES is taking the fucking highs, bro. So low key lame as shit. Oh, why do I feel like this plays out? Because it does. 4 hour, I feel like we continue bullish. 1 hour gap, tap, 5 minute. I think that's also time frame alignment, which I never get. Fat ass SMT. We'll take this. It's also changed in the state. I don't like the fact that we're taking my break even point, but I'll just do that here because ES had really no rejection or reason to reject this high. So we shall see. Again, same exact idea as the trade prior. The only difference is like the target's not the best. I do like the really good manipulation. We do have this old consolidation that we can clear out. Again, slanted highs. And then we actually didn't really manipulate for 9:30 at all. And then still have this unmitigated 5-minute to run into. 15-minute, we respected, manipulated. So we're targeting back to that, which is valid. 1 hour gap tap, obviously continuing this trend. Yeah, I like this. I like this. And then honestly, okay, the 5-minute, what I noticed most with my losing 5 minutes is they always have LR on the low time frame, but this doesn't look bad. Okay, we'll see. I don't really like 5 minutes, so hopefully I don't get my shit rocked here, but I don't know. I always lose 5 minutes, like whenever oh my god, bro, please. Don't do this to me. Hits the gap. I need a distribution here. SMT at the high. I'm just going to go break even. ES is taking that. I don't like the fact that we're rejecting. Now we are kind of creating these relatively equal lows. I'm just going to get out. Low key, should have just taken the day. Why can I not send this to break even? Should have just taken the day with this trade. I don't know. It's just too choppy. Yeah. Really bad conditions. Definitely not my best trade. I feel like I'm low-key trading like shit right now. Hit my BE. I do want to see if this plays out because like continuation-wise, I can just see ES is now closing above, but not a trade I want to be in. Yeah, like look at this delivery. I would have been pissed because I would have gotten break even right there. Oh my goodness. The whole day? No shot. Wow. Alright. Wait, is that it? What? What was that? Okay. SMT maybe. Nice. So SMT here at these lows. Getting that distribution we absolutely need. Going to these highs on NASDAQ. ES is not going to reverse until we take this point. So let's hope that we get a long. Oh my god, we're definitely not getting a long. 9:30 opening candle takes this high on ES, bro. Watch. Alright, well, opening delivery does it. Bro. Okay, it's just one of these days. Really nice, though, because, like, all you got to do on these days is just catch a long. It's literally it. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. I think my girl's about to text me. Okay. Okay, finally got manipulation lower. We probably reverse, though. I don't know. It's just, this is a weird spot to be bearish. Because it's like, we're just going to hit every bullish gap. I'm just going to wait for a bullish setup, honestly. I'll just pattern trade it. Wait. Okay, ES is now the weaker pair. Hit a 15. If we have an SMT here, we do. We'll see if we get numbers. We do have a 5-minute gap as well. So, cheeky little mech. I don't like the structure. I really don't like. I'm going to fade this. Like this 1-minute structure. Yeah, like what are we doing? 9:30 open is where? Yeah, I guess SMT and 9:30 lows would be significant. This mech probably plays out, but I don't want that. Yeah, it actually doesn't. Takes 9:30 low. Okay, I'd like this. All right. All right. I don't think we're gonna be bullish. So ES did sweep that external target, so I can see a rebalance. 5-minute chart, I can definitely see running down here. So it looks like data lows as well. Yeah, 8:30. We just don't even have a bearish gap tap, so it's like, I mean, we're just weird day. Weird day. 10:30 opens right now. See a run up. We don't. Probably gonna get a mech here. That then is gonna be like a reversal. Bro, why does it do this? I'm actually a genius, bro. The mech didn't present itself, but oh my god, we didn't even have a gap. Never mind. Yeah, price is bunch. Yeah, not taking that. This will kind of be a shorter one. I am tired. So, I honestly should have just done this a different day. Oh my god. Wait, yeah, this is 2025, right? Oh, this could low-key be... When did tariffs come out? God, yeah, I actually have no idea. SMT at 9:30 high. Fuck. Like, why do we gotta close like this? Like, no bullshit. I kind of just want to take this. I feel like we clear out these lows. Like, my eye goes to that. Hourly SMT right here. We leave the high resistance. It's just, what are we doing? Price is just very weird. But I do like the displacement. I just feel like this is just going to be break even. And what even is the RR? Yeah. I'll taper it, but like RR is just not, yeah, break even anyway. Maybe do an accumulation, manipulate at this low. Wow. Distribute. Give me a gap. Give me a gap. All right. Yeah, there's just like nothing in this range. Like, we didn't even make a... Yeah, there's just nothing being created. Like, how are we not making 5-minute imbalances here? Like, we made one at 9:35. We probably go higher, but it's like, it's weird. Like, I feel like some people would take this, bro. And this is just, even if this plays out, it's like, why would I ever want to take what the fuck are we doing? I guess just trending, bro. Yeah, not gonna take this. ES is doing, I don't know what. No shot, bro. This setup really just won. That's low key, like, it's kind of tough, but not really. Why would we leave this 5 minute? I don't know. Maybe this is our manipulation and we clear at the LR, but then we're just fading high time frame. Yeah, why I ever think we'd be bearish? I don't even want to take that. I mean, yeah, like continuation, like it probably, yeah, probably plays, but it's like, bruh. We're just not, like, watch. We're just going to leave this LR, because this is what we usually do on trending days. Like, this will just be a consolidation, and then, like, 11 a.m. will just, like, distribute, like, 2,000 points. Okay, well, maybe, yeah, okay, it's just a consolidation. Probably a 30-second here, but we don't take that low. Just no setups. Like, the DOL, the trend is there, but it's like, doesn't like IFVGs. Like, I guess you take a 5 minute there, but like, I would want this low. We chop inside of that 15 minute forever. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, they didn't close. I mean, yeah, maybe, yeah, like we could go bearish here, but it's like, what's up with the chop? This is definitely whenever Trump started being on bullshit. I already know it. Yeah, like, watch us be bullish here for no reason. Thank God. I think we're just waiting to sweep this low. Like, we don't do anything till 10:30. Come on, give me something. Bro, this is just so chopped. I mean, you could have a 30-second here. You do. It is a PDI. 4 hour. Okay. Oh my God, we actually might have one. Yeah, why would we not SMT my target, bro? I miss when trade was easy. Like, why are we doing this? Like, bro. Watch, like, this definitely, I guess we're in a 15, but it's like we have so much LR. Close to the 5. Hit the new 5, though. I like the PDI. I really do. I like the fact that 930 didn't manipulate. Like, why does ES have to be there? I want to take it. Like, these are, like, because fuck the LR, you know? I know I'm going to regret it. I'm just going to wait for ES to sweep it. plays out anyway. Actually, it would have been break even. Yeah, because I wouldn't want to break even to the 5 minute. Okay. I mean, yeah, like I didn't taint my stats with a break even. Yeah, because it's like, bro, the 4 is just so obvious. Just ES is in a really weird spot. We do have this higher target. Maybe we get a continuation of this. Maybe. But NASDAQ will probably just teleport up there, so. Oh my god. 5 minute gap tap, 30-second inversion. Oh my god. Give me the inverse. It's the 10 a.m. opening candle though. Do I take it? Do I take it? Like every setup that's presented always has like one detrimental thing wrong with it. Like an SMT at my target or like 10 a.m. open. It's like, bro, like what the fuck are we doing? Part of me wants to, no, we took the internal high. I just can't justify that. 10 a.m. and then that, like, bro. Is it shift? No, it's control. Ooh, okay, we do get the resweep. I might take a change in the state, because then it's like we got the inversion. Yeah, we're just going to be, all right. I guess we don't got to take this high. We could be bearish here. Oh, yeah, maybe I get to target this LR now. Any internal key level? Ooh, if we have like a fresh 30 or 15 up here. Could be nice. Nothing. Does hella LR that I do have a lot of conviction to. This SMT is nice. Is it in a gap? Is this all-time highs? Oh my god. Oh yeah, we are not bearish here. Yeah, I'm gonna get faded trying to short this trend, bro. Even though there's so much LR, it's just like I've learned my lesson, you know? Maybe this plays out to these lows. I really like these lows, but there's just not a key level for it, so it's literally just that SMT kind of carrying. And I don't want to take a dumb loss because I feel like my trades that I've like been taking like could definitely be better. Yeah, ends up going for that LR. Yeah, like I like it. Ooh, okay. I'm actually gonna hop on for PM session. We'll check out 1 p.m. I actually do really like the 13 candle. The 13 o'clock. I think just disappeared for whatever reason. Okay. All right, we got the 1 p.m. candle opening. Did end up bearish. Maybe we get a PDI here. Ooh, manipulated into a fresh 4-hour gap. If we have a 15-minute target, I'll probably take this. Pretty big SMT as well. Discount of this current range. 15-minute gap being created in a minute. So you can see at the bottom, we create a 15-minute candle on the next opening. So at my entry, my only worry here. Ooh, see, I could. But this is the 3-minute, right? This is the height of the 3-minute. Okay, so I have to go break even here because we hit that 3-minute gap. I have a feeling I get wicked out, honestly. But maybe we run to it. Could be nice. There's a 5-minute above it, but I get 1.36 here, so I'm cool with that. NASDAQ or ES also has LR. Dope. Dope. And then I like this accumulation. 1 p.m. candle opens. We manipulate. do all the fancy stuff. I didn't set my auto B. I'm just going to go on the 5 second. I'm just going to break even. Bro, are we fucking... Okay. Break even there. I probably... Yeah, chances are I get wicked out here. Yikes. Rough delivery, dude. Would have been a break even anyway. So if I didn't get break even here, I would be break even here. Because too much chop. Wow. No way we avoid this. Do we hit the 15 on ES? Nope. Very surprising. Yeah, 0 gap tap. Maybe we just... I don't know. Maybe it's a bad gap. Like, I can see these slanted lows. It's not the trade, bro. Not the trade. I smash a short? No. Okay. We're just gonna go to the next guy. Alright, back to being bullish. Holy shit. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'll be bearish here, I guess. Not much else I can really be, in all honesty. Give me an inversion. Oh, this is so ugly. This type of inversion is so bad to take. I don't even know if that closed. $10 a.m. opens. Let's get some manipulation. Watch us just clear the LR instead, though. What a G. ES hit this 4-hour gap. So SMT there. So we can be bearish. Did I miss the inversion? I look-y did. No, I didn't. Technically, it would be this one. This is just weird price. I want this DOL, but I don't know if I get a setup to it. Oh, remanipulate. I might just take this 30-second here, because now we have SMT here. Ooh, I like this. So we keep this protected high. We now have a stop hunt. So we don't need to go up here because we already SMT'd at that 4-hour gap as well. Let me get this displacement lower. Hopefully I'm not dumb for this trade, but 15-minute right here. I'm gonna wait. I will wait. Because I don't really like the manipulation either. Yeah, hit the 15. Then we flip bullish. God, what is price doing? This has to be tariff news. Huge SMT. I feel like we'd want to rebalance this range. We also have this opening range gap. Continue this trend. 15-minute gap tap. 1-minute inversion. It's looking like 2-minute, 3-minute. 3-minute inversion. Don't like that we left LR lows, but we don't have to take those. Swept them on ES. I'll take this. 4-hour gap above. Just going for a 1-to-1 here. Actually, we'll see if there's some liquidity. I'll go for this intermediate high instead. So that's a 1.11. I could also see that. See, like, I kind of just want to extend my TP because I feel like I go for really low. Oh. All right, this is going to be the last trade because my computer's about to die. So we'll just go for this. SMT at the lows, 15-minute gap tap. Obviously a continuation. The idea here is like, yeah, I want to be bearish simply off the trend. But I can see that we need to rebalance a little bit. We did leave this 4 a.m. or 4-hour high right here, which is a nice draw in my opinion. ES did take it, but then we did manipulate. So we can now go based on high resistance to high resistance. And I'm going to choose the trend. Yeah. LR right here. Yeah, LR leading up to an imbalance is like all the mechs. So hopefully I don't get railed here. We shall see. Okay, break even there. Bro, please. I need a little bit more from you. Bless. Very nice. Okay. Honestly, very nice trade. Definitely a good one to end on. So obviously SMT at these lows. So if we hit this imbalance and we swept liquidity, we have no reason to go lower. And then above us is an unmitigated gap and LR. So all the reason to go higher. Now, I know that we had an SMT here, but why was I comfortable trading against that? Well, it's because we're using high resistance versus high resistance. But what is the harder pool to go to? Well, this imbalance has been mitigated on both pairs, and we've swept liquidity on both pairs. Just NASDAQ didn't sweep all of it, but still SMT there. So there's been more manipulation down here and like less availability of targets versus both pairs generated all of this LR. NASDAQ is still an unmitigated gap. And then we also have a reason to go higher. Obviously, huge ass dump. This is an imbalanced leg. So what does price want to do? Well, it wants to rebalance the leg. I can even see us going back to equilibrium as well. Yeah, like honestly, oh yeah, equilibrium would have been a nice target as well. No, never mind. That looked way closer. I don't know why it did. But yeah, like we probably react off of equilibrium here. Never mind. Maybe I misdrew it because it was on the 4-hour. Because if I'm off by like a few points, yeah. If I'm off by like a few points, it changes a lot. Anyway, so that's going to be it because my computer's about to die. Hope you enjoyed. If you want your own trades reviewed, I do that every day, Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern. So pull up to that, join the Discord, subscribe, whatever, and I will catch y'all later.